In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Remaster in Suno AI. If you've ever generated a song that had the right idea but needed a cleaner mix, tighter structure, or a more polished feel, Suno's Remaster feature is designed to do exactly that. It takes an existing track you've already created and regenerates it with improved production while keeping the core vibe you liked. Start by heading to the Suno website. Once you're on the home page, look for the library. This is where all your previously generated tracks live, organized and ready for further editing. Opening the library ensures you're working with a track that already exists, which is what Remaster needs. Locate the song you want to enhance, the one that's close but not quite there. Hover over it if needed so you can access its options. Next, open the three-dot menu beside that track. This menu is your shortcut to deeper controls for that specific song. It's a quick way to act on a single piece without leaving the library view or digging through settings elsewhere. Clicking those three dots makes sure you're targeting the right track for the remaster process. From the menu, choose Create. In Suno, Create doesn't just mean starting from scratch, it also includes advanced transformations of existing work. Inside these options, select Remaster. Keep in mind, Remaster is a Pro-only feature, so if you don't have a Pro plan, you'll see an upgrade prompt. If you do have access, you'll move straight into the Remaster setup for that song. Here, you'll set the variation strength. Think of this as the how much change dial. A lower strength keeps the arrangement and tone very similar, focusing on subtle improvements. Great if you already like the direction and just want a cleaner result. A medium strength blends familiarity with noticeable upgrades, often the safest place to start for balanced refinements. A higher strength invites bolder reinterpretations, useful when you want more creative risk or to break out of a stale arrangement. If you're unsure, begin in the middle. It usually provides a strong, polished update without losing the essence of your track. When you're ready, click Remaster. Suno will process your selection and generate a refined version based on the strength you chose. That's the entire flow. Open your library, use the three-dot menu, choose Create, pick Remaster, set your variation strength, and start the process. With this approach, you'll quickly turn promising ideas into cleaner, more professional-sounding tracks.